안녕하세요. Hello. Last time we have studied about the verb conjugation grammar 아요, 해요, 오요. And this time we are going to study come and go, 오다 and 가다. It's about come and go. Let's see how to use it. So here, 가다 is to go and 오다 is to come. So can you see here? In chapter 3, when you are using the verb 아요, 해요, 오요 grammar and if the verb is related to movement like 가다 and you use noun 에, 가다 to show where it's happening instead of noun 을을. So last time I taught you the verb 아요, 해요, 오요 have to use basically noun 을을, which is the object marker particle. 가다, 오다 is a verb, but it's not used noun 을을. 가다, 오다 is a movement verb, like a moving verb. So when you use the moving verb, can you see here? The particle noun 에 indicates the location. Have to use together noun 에. The usage criteria for 가다 and 오다 depend on where the speaker is located. Example, if you are in the USA and your Korean friend is coming to the USA, you should say 한국 친구가 미국에 와요. So, my Korean friend is come to the United States. And if you are in the USA and your Korean friend is going to Canada, you should say 한국 친구가 캐나다에 가요. Let me explain to you one more time. 가다, 오다 is a verb, but it's not used noun 을을 because 가다, 오다 is a moving, like a movement verb. So, movement verb is always used noun 에, and noun 에 particle, this is to indicate location. So, noun 에 가요. noun 에 와요. Let's practice. Can you see here? First sentence. 저는 오늘 친구하고 콘서트장에 가요. So, 저는, 은는 is always indicate subject. So, 저는 오늘, today, 오늘 친구하고 with friend 콘서트장에 가요. So 가다 is always used noun 에 and then 가요. So the translation is today I go to a concert hall with my friend like this. And second sentence 내일 저는 회사 동료하고 극장에 가요. So tomorrow 저는 indicate subject. 저는 회사 동료 is a company co-worker and 극장에 가요. 극장 is normally movie theater or theater. So tomorrow I go to theater with my company co-worker like this. And the next sentence 내일 저는 친구하고 찜질방에 가요. So tomorrow 저는 is always indicate subject. So 저는 I go to the 찜질방. Korean sauna spa is a 찜질방. I go to the 찜질방 tomorrow with my friend like this. So how do you think about 가다 and 오다 have to use with noun 에? How do you think? It's not so difficult, right? Just remember, moving verb example 가다 and 오다 have to use noun 에, not with 을을. When you are studying, if you have any question, please leave me a comment. We are going to see in the next lesson. 안녕히 계세요.